So in this video, we'll see how to write a comment. What is comment? Suppose in program you want to write something for your understanding. That is not for program, it's for us. Okay. So what the program is about, what that particular line is about. So all those things we'll call them as comments. Okay. If you want to write comments in your program, it is very easy. This section is very, very simple. So there are 2-3 ways of writing comments. I'll show you all the ways here. Okay. So the one is write hash and then write your comment. So for example, this is my comment. This program adds 2 numbers. So I want to write like this in my program. So write hash and then write it. So if you have 2 or more lines, then for every line in the beginning, you should write hash. Okay. This hash is on number 3 in my keyboard. You can check in your keyboard. Okay. So hash, and similarly for third line also write hash and write it. So you can write this anywhere in your program, just write hash and write your comments. Okay, I'll show you one example as well for this. And the second method is write 3 single quotes. Okay, the single quote is beside enter in my keyboard, check in your keyboard. Okay, 3 single quotes and then write whatever you want for your understanding and then end with 3 single quotes. Alternatively, you can also use double quotes, 3 double quotes you write and then write whatever you want in your comment section and then end it with 3 double quotes. Okay, so you ignore these bullets for now. It's a mistake. So just write 3 double quotes, write your comments and end it with 3 double quotes. Okay, so we'll check one program for this. So I'll write some commands here, some 3 instructions. Print hi. Okay, then again I'll print how are you. Okay, then the third line I'll write print I love to code in Python, something like this, some 3 instructions. Now I want to write my comments here, so for that use hash here like this and then write this statement. This line will write hi. Okay, so if I run, you can see hi, how are you? I love to code in Python. Only these things will be printed. Whatever you comment, compiler will just ignore it. Okay, so then for this again I'll write here something hash and then something whatever you want. Okay, so here also I'll write hash and write something. So if your comment is too big and it doesn't fit in a single line, you can use single quote 3 times. Okay, and then write whatever you want. This program will print hi, how are you and all. This is my first program, whatever you want, blah blah blah, and then end it with 3 single quotes. Okay, you can write, or you can even suppose your comment itself has some single quotes. Assume something like this. This is my first program or something whatever. Okay, in that case you can use double quotes, so three double quotes, and in the beginning as well use 3 double quotes. So you have 4, right? Let me make it 3. So 3 double quotes, and then even the single quote will be ignored. Whatever you write from here to here, it will be ignored. Okay, so if I run, it executes like a normal program, right? So this is used for multi-line commenting. Means, so you can write multiple lines here, for example. So my comment is having 3 lines, right? So 3 lines of comment within the quotes. So this is single line comment. So if you use hash for every line, you'll have to keep using hash. If you use the double quotes or single quotes like this, just in the beginning and in the end. Okay, that's it. I hope now you know how to comment in Python. We'll see more about Python in coming videos. Thanks for watching.